this video, I'm going to show you how to sell. I work from home, I sew from home, and sell from home. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how I'm able to sell to my physical clients who come in to collect their bespoke orders and have me making huge sales. Guys, let me tell you my targets, because that's one thing you should know. That's one way you should sell. Have a target. My target is to make at least 150,000 naira ready to wear sales from every client who comes in here. Initially, the plan was to sell to everybody who comes in, even if it's 20k or 25k or 30k, But I realized that if I don't put a number to it, I'm not motivated, I'm not pumped. So I told myself, for every client that comes in here, we should sell nothing less than 150,000 naira worth of ready to wear to the person. That's where you want to start. I don't want this video to be everywhere, but guys, hold your paper and pen, because I'm going to be dropping gems. I'm going to be dropping ideas that might seem so obvious to you, but you are not practicalizing it. That's why you're not getting the same result or even better result than I'm getting. Come with me, let me show you something. So, I'm expecting a customer, a sweet client, Mrs. And because I know she's coming in, I had to prepare for her. She's coming to get her bespoke orders though. She gave us fabric to sew clothes for her. But in preparing for her, I and my team had arranged this rack just for her. All the clothes here, I want to sell to her. The ones on the other rack, she probably has seen them already, or because I know her so well, I understand that there might not be her style, there might not be things she's interested in. Every outfit in here, I intend to show, and guys, trust me, I'm going to be hitting that target and even exceeding it of more than 150,000 naira, because there are lots of options here. There are lots of clothes here. There are some outfits here that each goes for 125,000. So even if she buys one of that and add another one, I've hit my target. Okay? There are some outfits here that I know that she will not resist. This one I'm holding, I'm kind of skeptical because the color is kind of bright, but because I have the right words, I have right words that I can use to sell to this. There are things I can say to her to make her buy this outfit even when she feels it's too bright. So this one, I'm skeptical, but with the right words, I know what to say to get her to buy. This one right here, she cannot resist. She will not be able to resist this one. It's exactly what she likes. It's classy, it's unique, and it looks way more expensive than the actual price. This one, I'm sure she would buy. I have it in 2 color options. I want to show her this green because I think she likes colors like this. But if this does not work, I'll then go on to show her the other colors I have. Now, guys, I would have loved to place my camera because she's coming shortly. That's why I'm making this video in a hurry. I don't know if that will be possible. I might seek her permission and see if she would allow. She's the kind of client that likes to be private, But I would have wanted to record so you can see how I'm going to end up selling these ready-to-wear outfits to her and exceeding my sales targets.
She came, and thank God she granted us the permission to record. These are some of the ready-to-wear outfits she bought. And guys, take a look at the bill. Out of this bill, the bespoke tailored one was 60,000 naira, while the ready-to-wear was 376,000 naira. I told you we were going to exceed our sales goal.
So guys, some of you might be saying, Benjra, how do you know that this woman is going to buy this outfit? You've showed us all these beautiful clothes, but what if she say, I don't like them? Guys, let me tell you something. I've been saying this until I'm beginning to sound like a broken record. You have to know your customers, especially when you have the opportunity to meet them face to face, one-on-one. You have to know them. Yesterday, a young girl came in here and bought a ready-to-wear outfit from me. And while we were doing the fitting session, I was looking for cues and opportunity to get to know her. When she said, oh, I have to be away by 1 p.m., I have to get back to work, I seized the opportunity to ask her, where do you work? She said, oh, she works online, she works remotely. What do you do? She said she works for an American company as a product developer. That got to tell me how much she likely makes, the kind of outfit she would likely love to wear, Of course, I know her age, so I know the kind of things that suit young women like her. Now, this might sound like, oh, that would not still tell me what she's going to buy from me or not buy from me. I have a strategy that has been working for me over and over again. And that strategy, I teach it to you in my sold out rack class. So many of you have bought that class and you get to see how I share my whole guts. Somebody might say, Pendra, you're oversharing in that class. You're telling them too much of your strategy. What if they steal it and run you out of business? I have an abundance mindset, so don't worry about me. I will continue to sell. But I want you to get my sold out wrap class, implement my strategy so that you will continue to develop designs that people will continue to love and will continue to buy over and over again. Let me give you gist. A client came in here within the week to come and quarrel me. She came to quarrel me that the price I gave her for a bespoke outfit was too expensive. She came in here, and because of how strategic I am in putting outfits on my mannequin, she could not resist. Somebody who came to fight was eyeing clothes on the mannequin and saying, Pendra, these new designs, Pendra, this one looks fine, no. How much will it be? And because I know how to sell, I have the right words. The right words, guys. I just brought out the clothes, used those words on her, and got her to take off what she was wearing and fit the outfit. She fitted like 2 outfits, and we made 2 sales that was more than our target for each client. Remember our target, 150,000 naira on each client that walks in here. We exceeded that target. Someone who came in to quarrel me. So guys, I've been saying the right words. We have words that we use on clients. Words that will get them to buy. I'm willing to share this with you in a script that you can download, a PDF script, and some videos to guide you if you pre-order my big seller guide. In my big seller guide, I tell you the exact words that have customers like that lady saying, Pendra, you they put something for mouth. She said, anytime I talk to her, she just finds herself buying even when she does not want to buy. And I'm like, okay. This is a compliment, and this is a compliment because it shows that my sales strategy is working. It shows that my sales script works on them. That's why they cannot resist buying.
The Big Seller Guide is right now on pre-order at 8,500 naira. By the month of April, we are going to launch it, and after the launch, it's going to be going for 17,000 naira. Take advantage of it now. Click the link to purchase.
Most of you think that selling is just putting clothes on the rack. My dear, selling is actually selling. In fact, let me take this time to define selling so you truly understand what selling is.
Selling is helping people see the value in something they need or want, and then convincing them to take the action. It's not about you tricking or forcing people. It's not about you lying. It's about understanding the people you're selling to, their problems, and how what you're offering can help improve their lives.
Do you have a mannequin? What do you have on your mannequin right now? Some of you have a mannequin. And do you think mannequin is just a signal or something to show people that a tailor is here? My dear, a mannequin is to help you sell more. This is coming. Remember, this outfit on this mannequin is placed here strategically to attract Mrs. Put outfits on your mannequin that would make your customers look at the beauty of the outfit on a body. We know this is not a real body, but at least it looks close to the human body. And they get to see the flow and the look on a figure that looks like a human and appreciate it more than when it's on a hanger. So the more mannequins you have, the better for you, especially if you have a big space. So make sure you put outfits on your mannequin that will call customers to buy. Not only call them to buy only the outfits on the mannequin, but to call their attention to the fact that if this kind of beautiful outfit is on the mannequin, then you likely have a lot more on your rack. Make sure that you and your team are ready to sell. All my staff know that when customers come in here, I must sell ready to wear. They know that. They came here to collect their bespoke order. But me, I must sell ready to wear. So everybody has that behind their mind. So we are prepared. While this customer is fitting her bespoke order, and maybe, who knows, sometimes might need one adjustment or one alteration of the order. That's the time we start selling. We start bringing out ready to wear. Remember, I told you I have the right words. I know what to say. I start saying those things and I start bringing out the ready to wear and they can't resist it. I get them to fit that ready to wear. And guys, let me tell you, once I get you to fit my ready to wear, we are going to sell. Once I use those words to convince you to fit my ready to wear and look at your image in front of the mirror, we are going to sell. So if you can get your clients to actually fit your ready to wear, you're most likely going to sell. Remember, with the right words. So you want to download the big seller guide so that you can have those words and start putting them to use and finding yourself selling a lot more. I make my customers offers, especially when they get to spend more than 250,000 naira buying from me. It's because of the kind of offers I've given them. It's because of the kind of deals I give to them. Once again, I'm going to be sharing these offers that you can copy from me and implement in your own ready-to-wear business to make even bigger sales than I do when you download the big seller guide. So what was the first thing I said? Know your customer. The second thing I said, with my sold out rack class strategy, you can develop designs that would have them buying and cannot ignore. And the third thing I said is, with the right words, you are going to get them buying. And these words I have for you in my big seller guide. In my next video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I'm able to sell even when I sell online, how I sell on Instagram. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel, turn on post notifications so you're notified when I make an upload. Have a fabulous day and God bless you.